everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, it is April 3rd that I am recording this. I just got my April Mr. Nola's Glitters Wanderlust box for April 2021. That's what we're going to unbox today. It came yesterday. Something in here exploded because whatever it is, and I'm guessing it's either dirt or sand, just from how it looks. It was all over the inside of the shipping box, and it's just been coming out of every seam on this box as I've unpacked this. I haven't looked in here, but I suspect we're going to figure out pretty quickly what made the mess. And hopefully it won't be some majorly integral thing we need to do any project in here. I will say, full disclosure, I want to get this up at the beginning of April because, you know, this is when the boxes go out. However, I have not finished the projects from March yet. There is one specifically in the queue. It's ready to go. It just hasn't been uploaded. That is a tumbler cup from the products in the March Candyland box. So stay tuned for that, but let's move on and take a look at what's in our April box here. I will turn it this way, and hopefully everybody can see it. Okay, here we go. We are, ooh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Okay, let's see where it is. Some of you may already know. I don't. Ooh, it's Hawaii. I had no idea. Lanai, Hawaii. Take off our passport stamp. See what I mean? You can even see the whatever exploded in the box sticking to the everything. Everything. We'll just put that there. It's going to go in my journal at some point. I haven't done the journal for a few months. I need to get back to that. Okay, here we go. The weather is starting to warm up, and we don't know about you, but we are ready for a beach vacation. Alrighty. This month takes us all the way to the island of Lanai, Hawaii to visit Pu'upuhe. Okay. Pu'upuhe. Pu'upuhe. Okay. Or Sweetheart Rock. I have a little less trouble with that. This landmark is not only grand to look at, it is also steeped in Hawaiian folklore with a devastating tale of two lovers at its core. It is now known for its grand stature and beautiful sunsets as depicted in the gorgeous postcard that inspired our souvenirs this month. That is a gorgeous sunset. Look at that. Okay. We hope you can also draw inspiration from the salty air and the beautiful sunlit hues that can be found on the island of Lanai. XOXO, wish you were here. Fantastic. Okay, let's see what Clearcast we got from Crafty Thrivin' LLC. Look at that. Oh, we have sea creatures. Many, many, many sea creatures in silhouette and in watercolor. Aren't they beautiful? This should be fun to use. Starfishies, sharks, turtles, seahorses. Oh, I love it. Okay. See what it says here. Clearcast, Under the Sea Clearcast. A sheet of our favorite Crafty Thrivin' eco-solvent material decorated with all the sea creatures your heart could desire. These little animals are perfect for adding a small friend to your beach picnic snack board or favorite oceanic project. Okay, now the dreaded grass, which is full of the dreaded whatever exploded in here. So we'll just, I will not make you watch this part. We'll just jump ahead on the video to whatever's under all here. Okay, I think I see what exploded. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, it's down here at the bottom. Oh, look! Look at all of that we still have at the bottom of our box. Isn't that great? Okay. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Let's see what we were supposed to get a packet full of. Sharks Bay Decorative Sand. Okay, well, most of the sand is in the box. We'll put what's left aside. Maybe we can salvage something for a project there. Here we go. Sharks Bay Decorative Sand. Named after a secluded beach on Lanai that offers scenic views, this decorative sand will add a touch of realism to your beach picnic board or the inside of your box, whichever comes first. Okay. That is some very dirty now candy. Are these other little flip-flops, I think. Yeah, they are. They're little flip-flop gummies from Hawaii. Aloha. Okay. Ooh, I love seashells. Oh, look at that cute little ones. How colorful. Mica decorative shells, a mixture of rainbow glittered and natural shells to put the final touches on your beach picnic board and other seafaring projects. I'm thinking there's a beach picnic board in our future because that keeps getting mentioned. So, yeah, I'm going to take everything else out and ditch all this sand that's all over everything. And then we will get back to going through all of the items with the postcard information. It looks like the little bag of abalone or whatever that is in here also exploded because it's all over the inside of the bag also. So there was a definite packing shipping problem this particular month. So just if you haven't gotten your box yet and you're okay with the spoilers here showing you everything, just beware. It is entirely possible when you open your box that there might be some exploded stuff inside. Beach Picnic Snack Board. This personal-sized snack board provided by Wicked Gold, shop Wicked Gold on Etsy, serves as the perfect canvas for your epoxy sunset and beach scenes. All right. So we got a snack board, a wooden charcuterie board. I don't know how that's pronounced. That's a French word I have not said in a long time. So there's the board. It's very nice, obviously unfinished, ready for any sort of embellishments. And whatever this was supposed to be in here is now mostly not in here. We seem to have is that the handle? I don't know what that is. I don't know what this was supposed to be. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are an entire ocean in a drop. So maybe some abalone and a drop shape to make a pendant out of with some UV resin or regular resin. Most of the stuff is in the bigger bag now because this bag came open. So I'm just gonna put this aside and deal with trying to rebag it into the little bag later. Our glitters, let's move on to our glitters. I always love this portion of the unboxing because I love glitter. Okay, we get 4 gorgeous glitters. We get Garden of the Gods, Sea Whip, Shipwreck Beach, and Jasmine Fox. Interesting names. Garden of the Gods, a 2-ounce jar of ultra-fine golden mix with flashes of silver and deep orange. This mix has similar burnt golden tones as the natural rock garden located on Lanai, the Garden of the Gods. Ooh, yes, very fine. Beautiful. Very, very pretty. As usual, I cannot operate a camera and do anything else at the same time. It's just beyond my abilities. And the next one is Sea Whip, a 0.025 hex glitter that is textured like the Sea Whip coral it's named after. Deep pink and coral gold shift will remind you of a beautiful hazy sunset. It's interesting looking. Interesting texture. Wow. Fascinating. I'm not even sure what to think about that. Wow, the static is really going to town in this too, isn't it? Look at that. Okay. Next is Shipwreck Beach, a 2-ounce jar of an ultra-fine mix of silver and deep blue that is reminiscent of roaring waves crashing onto the shore. Shipwreck Beach refers to a stretch of dangerous waters off Lanai's coast where over a dozen ships have been grounded. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Wowee, I'm loving that. I tell you, we are so due an attack it with this at some point. That's gorgeous. Whoops. And the last is Jasmine Fox, a 2-ounce jar of 0.025 hex glitter that shifts between ocean blue and bright purple. The unique texture of each flake is reminiscent of the Jasmine Fox coral where this glitter got its name. Oh, it's another one of these things. Okay. I've just never seen glitter quite like this before. It doesn't mean it's good or bad. It just means it's sort of thrown me for a loop because I'm not sure what to make of it. But it is beautiful. Look at that. I like this one a lot. Look at that. All right, gotta focus. Okay. That is a fascinating glitter. Clearly it's really lightweight too, because the 2 ounces just takes over the jar completely. Next up, Purple Sunrise Mica, that is this one. 10-gram jar of light purple pearlescent mica powder that is reminiscent of a vibrant Hawaiian sunrise. That's very pretty. And Misty Twilight Mica, a 10-gram jar of iridescent electric blue. Wow. Oh, sorry, electric blue purple mica that will remind you of a hazy sunset after a long beach day. Very pretty. I guess. It will be pretty when we use it where you can see the shift, which would be on a black background. Catch and Raise Sun Catchers. Okay, here's something else. These sun catchers. We have a fishy and a surfboard. A set of 2 tropical sun catchers that can be painted or filled with dyed epoxy to add a beachy touch to your window or on your keys as a keychain. That would be very pretty, definitely. Multiple colors in each one. They've got the divider. I don't know if you can tell from here, but it's the divider is the divided areas are raised, so you can drop different resins, UV or epoxy, into different sections and it won't mix into the other sections. So that's very helpful. Plus extra swag. Okay, this must be extra swag. Well, this goes on your desk and you can put envelopes in here. Of course, I don't have anything. Well, here, we'll use the card as a reference. You can slip that. It's like a giant spiral paper clip. Paper clip? Really? Giant, or a placard holder on a table for the drink menu or something. So that's cool. That's a nice accessory. Sweetheart Rock Fire Glass. Here we go. This is one of the beach picnic accessories. Bronze-colored reflective glass that creates a beautiful rock effect when used in epoxy. Be careful, pieces may be sharp. Yes, they do look very sharp. So just to prove it, I will pour this out on my hand and see if we can get, no, I'm kidding. I'm not going to try and cut myself. But yes, sharp and reflective. Okay. But I managed not to cut myself. All right, I think we've gone through everything now. I am, as usual, not going to start a project now. I want to get this up as soon as possible because it's the beginning of the month that this is for. What's left of our sand. We have our postcard and our clear cast and our flip-flop gummies and our 2 micas. There we go. All right, there it is, folks. There is the April 2021 Wanderlust box from Mr. Nola's Glitter. Can't wait to start on the projects, but for now, this unboxing will be where we stop. Stay tuned for whatever it is I come up with. Thanks for joining me today. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.